Hi, I'm Jessica Park. I'm here in Historic Norcross today. I often enjoy coming to this area with my daughter because there's so much to do. There's great shops like this shop behind me, the British Tea Shop. They have chocolates that you can get in Europe, and I haven't seen some of them any other place other than here. And then in the summertime, we love coming because they've got a great splash pad. Right, Ruby? Yeah. And we love coming out to the splash pad because it's so beautiful. And we look forward to warmer weather when we can see the concerts outside. You should come to Historic Norcross because it's kind of a gem in the area. There's a lot of shops, there's great food, there's an Italian restaurant that's been here for over 30 years that we've been going to for probably 20. And we just love the walkability, and the train makes it interesting getting in and out, but it's always a fun adventure.